The Windows command that finds hidden system errors. It scans important system files and tries to repair problems automatically. And the strange part is that many people never use it even while dealing with random freezes and weird slowdowns every day. The problems usually start very small. Programs take longer to open, the PC freezes for no reason, or random errors start appearing. Sometimes it just feels like normal slowness, but in many cases the real issue is damaged system files inside Windows itself. The command is called SFC. The name sounds technical, but the idea is simple. It scans important Windows files and compares them with clean versions stored in the system. If something is broken, it tries to repair it automatically. How to run it without getting confused. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and type CMD. Then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. When the black window opens, type SFC Scano, press Enter, and wait for the scan to finish without closing the window. Sometimes the result is surprising. In some cases, the command finds hidden problems causing slowdowns and strange behavior. Other times, it says everything is fine, and even that already helps rule out one possible cause of the issue. In summary, this command is one of the fastest ways to check if Windows itself is causing freezes or strange behavior. It's simple, already built into the system, and can save a lot of frustration. Had you heard about this command before, or is this the first time?